This high-quality, custom-built home of about 3,800 square feet is nestled on 6.5 forested acres with a fabulous valley view. A long private drive takes you to your own tranquil retreat. Heading inside, you'll discover a thoughtfully designed interior with vaulted ceilings, hand-scraped wood floors, and an open concept floor plan. The tile-floored gourmet kitchen features granite counters, double dishwashers, double ovens, a prep sink, a warming oven, and a 5-burner gas stove with a pot filler. From here, head to your private deck, where it's easy to connect with nature and take in the peaceful views. A gas fireplace and TV, plus a slider to the deck, frame the wood-floored master suite. The spa-like master bath with an elegant walk-in shower and a jacuzzi tub has heated floors, plus a large walk-in closet. The second main floor bedroom includes wood floors, a double closet, and direct access to the bathroom. The custom staircase takes you to the upper-level family room with tons of natural light. You'll find 2 more bedrooms with vaulted ceilings, access to an over 500 square foot storage area, plus additional attic storage areas off the bedrooms. The lower level includes a large bonus space with an office, a flexible space for any number of uses, plus a 300-bottle wine cellar, and a full bath. Entertain year-round on the covered patio. And you have room for all of your toys in the 3-car garage. Living here, you're close to a variety of outdoor recreational opportunities, including 2 public golf courses. You'll find it all here on Snowberry Lane, and it's ready for you to call home. For more information or your own personal tour, please contact Greg Whistler with Premier Property Group. For financing options, please contact Rick Gerkman with Directors Mortgage.